All right, y'all, let's do our nails. I picked up the Kiss nails in Stardust Wonder. I really like these nails because I found the Kiss brand to be pretty reliable. They claim to last 14 days. They're vegan, cruelty free. But I don't just rely on what comes in the pack. I also have my own little routine of what you guys see here. I'll link everything below. But let's take these babies out the pack so we can see what we're working with. So of course they're going to give you your own nail glue to come with the pack. I don't always use that. I found the nail glue that works for me. And then they'll give you like the nail file and the little cuticle pusher. First things first, I like to go ahead and pull all the nails out and the sizes I want to use. So you guys will see I got that. I did a little bit off camera just so we could speed this up. And then I'll go and start to file my nails. I like to file my nails pretty low, especially for almond shaped nails, because you don't want them to be like straight. You want them to be a little rounded on the side so that way your nail isn't sticking out. And I find that this just makes the application easier, it makes them last longer. So yes, so then we're gonna grab that nail glue, but before we apply the nail glue, we're gonna dehydrate our nails with acetone. Use a nail dehydrator if you can, but if you have this works just as well. It also makes my hands super ashy, so that's what we're working with. So now when I apply my nail glue, I just do a straight line down the middle. That usually is enough glue, so that way it'll spread across the nail. And then I'll go in and add the nail. But I also like to just pre-measure like how I'm going to place the nail sometimes before I do it. So a lot of times I'll push the nail, then apply the glue. I'll push the nail in and I'll take the nail off, apply the glue, and then push the nail back in. That just makes it so I'm not applying the nail sideways. But the more you do your nails, the more you'll get more comfortable with it. This is just what I do. So I'm going to show you guys, and then I'm going to go back and do my thumb. But I love the chrome nail style. I love the reflection of these. I think Kiss does a really good job for providing really up-to-date nail trends and styles for an affordable price. And these are my nails completely done with both thumbs. Let me know what you guys think. Would you pick up this style? I find them all over. I'll leave links below, of course, where you can pick them up at. And yeah, I think Kiss is really elevating their press-on nail game, so I will continue to buy more. Let me know which ones you guys want me to try next. See you in the next video. Bye.